Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add your feature on Instagram stories or how to get the add yours sticker on Instagram story. First, you're going to need to go into Instagram and you're going to tap on the plus like you'll normally do to upload a story. Then select story. And from here, you can choose to either record a story or tap on create. For instance, I'll simply record one quickly. Then you'll simply tap on the sticker option. That's the smiley face in the top right hand corner. And here you'll see the add yours right here. It's one of the top stickers. And here you can type in what you'd like the person to add or your viewers to add, whichever, or you can tap on the two dices right here and it will give you different options. And now the viewer, once they want to add theirs, they'll simply tap on the add yours section right here. That will be on your Instagram story to upload theirs. And that's it. After you have done this, you'll simply tap on done in the top right hand corner and post it just like you'll normally do a story. Now, if you don't see the add yours feature on your Instagram, I would recommend that you go into your app store and update Instagram, and then more than likely you will get it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.